Okay, I'm looking at this here, and I want to make sure you know that I know the arctangent function, looks like this over here, and it's asymptotic with pi over 2. So what do I know? I know that pi over 2 minus arctangent of n. And I want to point out what I mean by this, n like 1 here, 2 there. What do I know about them? They're always going to be smaller than pi over 2, so this is always going to be a positive. So this is a positive term series. It's a positive term series. So I'm going to use a test for a positive term series, and kind of looking at it, I'm going to say a good thing for a positive term series would be the limit comparison test. Not that it always works, but it's nice to use that, right? And then I have to find a series to compare it to, and I'm going to say this one over here. What do I do? The limit as n goes to infinity of this guy over here, all right? So what am I doing? The an divided by that harmonic guy. What do I know about this guy over here? It's a divergent harmonic series. So what do? I got to take that limit, and that limit looks like it might be tough to do, right? But as I do it, I want to claim to you, one thing I would do is, I'm looking at it, it looks a little difficult to do. I want to see if I can use L'Hopital's rule. And so this is why you want to do that. I'm noticing the top goes to 0 and the bottom goes to 0. You notice I'm writing an x down now. Let me write this over here. Pi over 2 minus arctan of x, and then 1 over x. And certainly I know that this, both the top and the bottom, as x goes to 0, the top and bottom go towards 0. Differentiate the top. That's going to be 1 over 1 plus x squared. I'm sorry, minus, sorry about that, because I see the minus sign over here. And the derivative of the bottom is going to be minus 1 over x squared. And I got to simplify that because it's just the way I am. And that's going to be x squared over 1 plus x squared. And what's that limit going to be? That limit's going to be as x goes to, I'm sorry, that's an infinity. Sorry about that. Made a mistake in writing that down. But anyways, x goes to infinity. What do I know about this guy over here? It's just going to be, what, 1. That's it. So the limit's 1. What does this tell me? Well, if that's 1, it's telling me that this thing over here is divergent. It's a finite number, by the way. Thank you.